In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to get international kits in EFC 26. So first of all, we need to open the Ultimate Team section, and under it, we wanna go to the Transfer tab, and to go there, we can press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox, like so, and then we need to enter the transfer market. Now we need to search the market. For that, press cross on PlayStation or A on Xbox. So we want to find kits, so that's why we need to go to the Stadium tab, because that's where we'll find kits. And then we need to choose our item type, which will be kit, and then we need to choose our content type. So international kits are authentic, so that's why we need to choose our content type as authentic from here. Then we need to select our league. So international kits will be available in men's international. So for that, we need to scroll down to the bottom here, and then you will find men's national. So we need to select this league here, and then we can select our club. So let's say I want Qatar kits. So for that, I need to scroll down here until I find Qatar. So this is Qatar. I need to select it, and then if I press triangle or Y on Xbox, then I'll be able to find the kit I have selected here. You can see this is Qatar kit. But let's say you wanna find all of the kits at once. Then for that, firstly I need to go back from here, then choose your league as men's national. Now while selecting club, we wanna set it as any, so that they will show us all of the kits they are currently having. Then press Y or triangle, and then they will show you all of the kits they have. So this is the complete process to get international kits in Ultimate Team. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.